every year, including 2026, binabawasan natin ng appropriation cover yung PAPs. For example, I'll give you a concrete example. 2024, 242 billion of FAPs. Inalis natin yung appropriation cover.
Yung counterpart.
No, yung appropriation cover meaning yung authorization to spend it.
Authorization,
Kasi
okay.
pag yung utang dumating, hindi mo naman pwedeng gastos
Let's clarify.
Kailangan
What is
idaan
FAP?
mo
What
muna
is
sa
FAP?
Kongreso.
Tama naman
FAPS
na.
is
What is
Foreign
FAP?
Assisted Projects.
Projects.
That's
Yes.
FAPS. Okay.
Okay.
Baka
Ngayon,
nasa isip niya kasi kaya
yung inutang mo para doon sa mga project na yon, Edwin, hindi mo pwedeng gamitin kaagad.
Correct.
Okay.
Kailangan idaan mo muna sa Kongreso
Kongreso.
para
Yes.
may authorization under
Yes.
the Constitution.
Yes.
So yun, kailangan mo kuhanan ng appropriation cover.
Yes.
Kung walang appropriation cover, maski na nandyan na yung pera sa Treasury, hindi mo magagamit. You cannot draw from it. Ngayon, ang nangyari noong 2024, inalis yung appropriation cover ng 242 billion worth of foreign assisted projects.
Question.
And what's the consequence of removing
nga.
that?
Ibig sabihin, for 2024, hindi magagawa yung projects under that funding.
So, kunyari ang subway, hindi gumagalaw yung subway.
Hindi gumagalaw. At hindi lang yun, Edwin, ha? Kasi, alam mo yung perang yun, kunyari pinautang sa atin ng World Bank,
Yeah.
kung hindi natin gagamitin, pwede nila pautang sa iba.
Yes.
Okay.
Kaya, ang ginagawa, pag hindi mo ginamit yung pera, every time, for this like, 1 year mo hindi ginamit, magbabayad ka ng commitment fee.
Commitment fee.
How much is the commitment fee?
It ranges from 1.5 to 2.5% of that loan for that particular year.